Hi, in this short video I'm going to be showing you how to download TeamViewer. TeamViewer is a program similar to AnyDesk or Show My PC that allows you to remote into your very own device or somebody else's from a phone, laptop, tablet, whatever computer or device can download TeamViewer. You can remote into it using their ID and password that you get once you download the program. So to go ahead and download TeamViewer itself, we're going to go ahead and open up their website, TeamViewer.com. You should see the following screen here once you open this website, and you can click up here which says download or download for free because it is a free program. There is commercial use to it though that you would need a commercial license for though. In this version I'm just going to be showing you how to download the free version, so we're going to click on download for free, and then it's automatically going to start downloading. It's going to show us that you also have the Augmented Reality Assist AR app and you have a TeamViewer commercial license option. So we're going to go ahead and click here at the very bottom where it says download TeamViewer. It's going to automatically open up this page that says, welcome to TeamViewer Remote Support, Unattended Access, Meetings and Presentations. We're going to click on Default Installation, Accept Next. It's going to ask us, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We're going to click on Yes. It's going to give it a second to pretty much download the program. It's not a very big program, so it doesn't take too long. Alright, now it's going to ask us to accept the agreement. We're going to click on Yes, Accept, Continue. And automatically the program opens up. It's also going to open up this page that says how to use TeamViewer, and it pretty much opens up a guide on how to use it, the ID, the password. You can also change pretty much where TeamViewer automatically, once you open the computer, opens with it as well, and a couple settings that you can activate and read here on their forum or their manual. So we're going to open up the program, and here we see the ID and password. So this is our ID and this is our password that we would pretty much enter on our phone, laptop, tablet to be able to log into this computer. It's a very simple process. I'll go through it one more time. We're just going to want to go ahead and click on TeamViewer.com once you open up this website, download for free, and automatically it starts downloading. Do you want to allow this program to make changes to your device? We click yes, and then we should see the following screen here with our ID and password. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.